Hey. We salon people there. I like person on laugh safe. This we bought where they don't test positive for this coronavirus na fikito. Na celebrity. They don't turn superstar. But una say, but una left no. But una left no. People then they go na the boy in Facebook page. Pulling pictures in they shape them around with the innocent bikini with him wife. This nothing way for Gladys for. Then kind picture then a picture down the way for shape around. For pass them around like fly. Nothing down the way for jubilate over. Nothing the one they want for celebrate. Nothing the one they want for Gladys for. You me brother where they look me. You me sister where they look me. If now you then do so, or now you family member them do so, how you go feel bona say bona left no? Bona left no. Some of una they abuse social media. That boy there with him picking them and in West. Them picture not for the social media. Come on now, bona say bo. Why make una they do them kind thing? Why? So if they make like for saying I saw una the sorry for the boy, but trust me, I don't saw una the sorry for the boy. Because if not saw you una the sorry for the boy, we not for the pass in picture with in wef in picture in picking in family picture on WhatsApp. We not for do that. What's una for the do that our house? Una for the pray for them, read the Bible, and knock them bad and wow. Make this thing come on in system. Now that's we all for the do now. But the boy in picture with him family picture don't go viral. It is everywhere. Everywhere. But why now? Why? Why me cooking they do that kind of thing? Salon people them. If that boy now good name be meet and so. Nobody know me for jubilate. Nobody know me for celebrate. Nobody know me for take that thing they put on a WhatsApp they glad for them. Say, hey, we tell God thank you, so brother. Hey, una look at nobody no get position. Una look at me, hey, don't school, hey, una look at me, hey, don't this. Una know for what's not good. Una no go do one, we go sit down pan and niche. But what's not bad? It go viral. Hey, but una say, but una left no. That boy with his family them picture, he don't go viral. In less than 24 hours. Some of we they trust me. We found them the need for block on social media. We found them the need for block them. Because what to do with the abuse them. WhatsApp. Now somebody fat safe. If somebody get way. They go video that fat today or take that fat today in picture and put it on social media. Hey, boy, it's not so gladness meets this boy assault in family. In picture, then they all over. All over. Me, if I'm not mistaken, it passed 20 people that were send a picture to me. It's not go viral. It passed from one hand to another. Hey, they know them WhatsApp group them. They WhatsApp group them. I don't go na them WhatsApp group them. They me against some WhatsApp group them. They are nearly one commodity. If they 4-5 times, people and they see and they so they say they take back, they come back, they put back. Hey, boy, that come on, abona say bona left no. If now una been then that boy the institution so, then they pass to na pictures and so to na family them pictures. How una go feel? Me una look me una me na to sanko me ani clean. I don't sabi that boy there. I don't sabi in family. I don't sabi nobody. But as mortal man, make I not even say as a Sierra Leonean, but as mortal man, I dey feel for that boy there in family. I dey beg una in the name of God, my brothers and my sisters, then make we left for share bad news. Waiting we for the share that we community. Now good news. If bad news can make we sit down Panama. But wait, see them say good news. You know they come out all man is slump them. With the quiz we they make like so no they see like so no they like so no get no clue. But what's not bad news? Eh boy. That boy they tell we in the hospital safe. He get the mask in face. In picture all day on WhatsApp. What's up with that? That boy laid on a sick bed. In picture then on WhatsApp when he then at that sick bed, boy. That boy they in family then they cry and they beg God for me. That boy they grab on that sick bed today. But some of them they pass with the boy in pictures then. They with him picking them picture. Then small angel then. But when I left, I the beg in the name of God, my brothers and my sisters. When I left there, I beg at the beg una do ya. When I left for passport, so that boy there in picture. Not so gladness meter or here in family. I the beg. When I not pray God for her. This thing, it don't have free tongue. It don't the salon. It don't it. So when I get for be very, very careful. I beg. Boy. Na my brother, na my family, na me this, na me that day. Before you pass with him picture on WhatsApp, pray for him. Now that you for do for him. Not to forget put on na Facebook or forget put on na Twitter or na forget put on Instagram. Not to die. God forbid you not go be in portion. You not go die. Una left for pass with him pictures then, but una safe. If una then do so, una go feel. Una left. Then say I not fine. At the big. Please. Una left for posting pictures then. Do ya at the big? Una do forget ya nabi. Please. At the big una do ya. This now your sister Lamina to Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicates. At the big, do ya? Yeah? When I left for pass with him picture, do ya? And I beg at the big, do ya? Not so gladness meets that boy this too. I beg, do ya? I beg una, do ya? For what ya nabi? Do ya? When I know keep on with prayers, make God answer that sick baby. But make you know the way shape in pictures them around. I beg. Not tata for now. You had to look me now, you had to talk. No left for shape that boy in pictures. I'm big.